It is so weird. Some of the shades look like melted. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video we are going to be unboxing another Essence Advent Calendar. Yes, that's right, we have another one. This one here is a make your own Advent Calendar. I was very surprised that I found this one too. I thought they only had one Advent Calendar. This one here, the Spread the Magic Advent Calendar. I have already done an unboxing video for this one, and I'm going to have a card here so you can find it easier. Also, you can find it in the description box below. You can watch it after this one. And back to the start of this video, the Make Your Own Advent Calendar. The price for this one is €19.99, and we get 25 products, so it is €5 less than the Spread Your Magic Advent Calendar. This is how the box looks. Share this video with a friend that likes Advent calendars, and make sure to stay until the end. We're going to calculate the overall value of all the products and see if it is more than €20. Let's open this. These are the paper bags that we have. Let's see how they are. I think we have two types. Yes, we have black and white paper bags. And this is the design. I prefer that we don't have numbers on the paper bags because you can also use them for makeup gifts, and with numbers it doesn't look very nice. Okay, we have 4 designs, not 2. They are these 2 here, and they are very pretty. I really like the designs of Essence. I'm not looking directly to the box because I don't want to lose the element of surprise. The first product is a lip balm that I have never seen by Essence, and it looks like a full-size product. So it says it is a lip balm with argan oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, as well as vitamin E. This one is in the shade 1, Barely Kissed. It doesn't have a scent. Let's see the color. It is like a twistable pencil. You can twist it at the bottom. It is very soft, and it has a very light pinkish color. It also has a sheen. I think this is the perfect shade for every day. What do you think? The next product is a nail polish, and this is the glitter on glitter off peel off nail polish. I have never tried a product like that by Essence or another brand, and this is in the shade Razzle Dazzle. I'm going to swatch it on my nails to see the color. It says no remover needed. This is a clear nail polish with some pink glitter. I'm very interested to see if I can peel it off. And let me know in the comments if you want to see a makeup look with the products or a nail tutorial with the nail products, especially this peel off, peel on. No, peel off nail polish. Glitter on, glitter off. We have a palette. I was not expecting full-size products that we already have seen by Essence. I have already tried this one and I have it. I'm going to keep it for a giveaway. I will bring mine so you can see how it looks inside. I don't want to touch this one. It is a very 70s design, and we have a highlighter and also 8 eyeshadows. That's a happy surprise. After that we have another palette. This is the Make Your Own Magic eyeshadow box. I think the price for this one was €7 and this is €4, so immediately we have €11. This unboxing is going very well. So I brought mine because I have already tried this one, and this is how it looks. We have 10 eyeshadows, some of them shimmery, some of them matte. The new one is also going for a giveaway. We have another full face product. Oh no, I have this one again, and it is the Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder in Lighter Skin. The outer part of the product has a matte finish and the inner part a glowy. You can also mix them and have a different shade. This is mine. I have already tried this one too. It looks like these are not the same products because this is deeper, and I actually didn't like this one because it was a very light shade for me and I couldn't make it very visible for my skin tone. Am I right? The color is not the same. This is more saturated. So I'm going to keep this also for a giveaway. Ooh, what is this? Tropical hand mousse. Is that hand care? Shake well before use, and this is like a hand cream with monoa oil and aloe vera. The bottle is just adorable and very pretty. I have never seen this in a store. Ooh, it's a mousse. It smells really nice. I think I applied a lot of product. It is so weird. A little goes a long way with this mousse. Make sure to press just a little bit because a lot of product comes out. It's not very sticky. It is more like wet. Moving on, we have another product that I have never tried by Essence. It is called the All About T-Zone Primer Stick. So this is a primer for your T-zone that it can mattify shiny skin. I'm very curious to test this one, and let's see how it looks. Okay, it is a twistable product again. It doesn't have a scent. It is clear and it feels like silicone-y. Do you ever use a T-zone primer? I didn't even know that they exist. The next one is something with glitter. These are loose glitters in the shade 7 Hollow White Out. Oops, a lot of glitter. I think this one is for the eyes, and they are a little bit chunky. These are very light lavender glitter. They have an iridescent sheen. It says that you can use it with the glitter primer. I also have that one, so I can try it with this. I have glitter all over my desk now. Whoa, I was not expecting another palette. This is the Go for the Glow highlighter palette. It is hollow, and let's see the shades. Ooh, they are very intergalactic. Ooh, these are very shiny and colorful. These two are looking very similar. This is not a palette that a lot of people are going to use, especially if you want to do everyday makeup looks. Let me know if you like these colors of highlighters on you. I don't use them for every day. Of course, you can also use them as eyeshadows. After that, we have one more nail polish. This is a very light pink color, and it is the gel nail polish in the shade 5 Sweet as Cancy. You can use it for a French manicure, or even if you just want your nails to look shiny. It is a very light color. We continue with the glitter primer, so that makes sense now that we have it. I already have this one. This is mine with the new sticker. So I'm going to show you how the primer looks on my hand. My only issue with this one is that it gives a pink sheen to the skin, so it's not completely transparent, and it is a very weird glitter primer because it's not very sticky, but the glitter stick on it. Up next, we have a soft contouring lip liner in the shade Nude Painting number 2. I think that I don't have this shade. I'm going to check just a second. I don't have this color. Let's see how it looks. It is a very nice nude beige lip liner that can go with a lot of lipsticks, and I don't have this one. I'm happy that I found it in the advent calendar. I have tried again the soft contouring lip liners and I like them, so I'm very happy for this one. And let's continue with another palette. This is the strobing and contouring palette. On the back of the palette we have some directions how you can use the palette, and we have a lot of shades to contour and highlight your face. I have already tried this one. I don't like the consistency. I'm not going to have it in a giveaway. This one has some sweat in here. Also, some of the shades look like melted. I think this product is already discontinued and I don't want to give it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. I don't even want to give it to a friend or a family member because of the melted shades. I'm going to swatch mine so you can see the shades. They dropped the ball with this one. Moving on, we have some loose glitter. These are the Get Your Glitter On in the shade 1 Star Child. And I already have this one too. So I'm also going to have this one for a giveaway. We have my favorite liquid lipstick. This is the Color Boost Mad About Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 3 Wanna Play. I already have this one. Of course, I'm going to have it in a giveaway. I like the formula. It is a little bit watery, very lightweight, not drying on the lips. This is actually one of my favorite liquid lipsticks by the Drugstore. This is my Wanna Play shade. I'm going to show you the color. And we have a doe foot applicator. It is very easy to use this. And let me show you the color. It is a light pink mauvish shade. Up next we have the gel nail polish top coat, and I have never used this one before. I'm always using a clear nail polish by Essence and it always works, it's fine, so I never use a top coat. Ooh, it has a very strong scent. If you want your nail polish to last longer, definitely use a top coat or a clear nail polish. And this one here is very shiny. After that we have the gel nail polish base coat. So we have a top coat, nail polishes, peel-off nail polishes, and the base coat. This one works without a lamp and lasts 16% better with an extreme gel shine and less chipping. So I'm very curious to try this one and see if it actually works. And let's continue with, oh my god, Kiss the Mermaid lipstick, and this is in the shade Become Mermazing. I love the name. And we have a mermaid on the packaging. It is very pretty, and this is a blue color changing lip balm. I like the lip balms by Essence. I think it smells like bubble gum with berries. This one can stain your lips. Moving on, we have the Color Boost Vinylicious Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Woody Rosy. I have tried some other colors of this formula, but I don't have this one. So let's see the color. We have again the same doe foot applicator with the matte liquid lipstick. This is a light mauvish lipstick, and it has a super fantastic sheen. My issue with these liquid lipsticks was the scent. Some of them had a very strong, overwhelming scent, and some of them didn't. Let's see the next one. This is the gel nail polish in the shade 14, Do You Speak Love? I have never tried this one. This is with 2 layers of the nail polish, and it has a dark red cherry color, perfect for winter and Christmas. This is the Color Boost Vinylicious Liquid Lipstick in the shade 2, Nude is the New Cute. I already have this one. This one here is mine, so I'm going to show you the color. This one has a nude beige color and it is perfect for everyday. Super shiny. Up next we have the body tattoos, Tattoo You, and it says Doodle Bomb. It says something very interesting, that it is created with consumers. I don't know what it means. And we have 3 sheets of body tattoos. These are temporary, of course, and we have some directions on the back of the packaging. Oh my god, these are super adorable, but I don't think I would ever use them on me. So I think they are designed for a younger audience. and I'm not in that audience. Ooh, these are actually very pretty. They are the Bad Girl nail stickers, and I can definitely use these. We have some very pretty flowers and delicate designs. Also, these flat glitters that I prefer them for manicures. After that, we have one more gel nail polish. This one is in the shade 116 Cozy Rosy, and it is a rosy nail polish. It is a very nice nail color for everyday. We also have stickers, not in the best condition because they were right at the bottom of the box and all the products were on top of this one. They have very nice designs on them. The overall value of all the products is 69 euros, and all the products are full size, so you can get this box for 20 euros. That's a very good value for the money. You can also still find most of the products online. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of this advent calendar. Mine is the tropical hand mousse because it has a very nice scent and it leaves the skin very soft. Also, let me know if you like the box, the products. What do you think? Do you prefer the previous Essence Advent calendar? You can watch here the unboxing video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!